Just imagine, if you were standing right here over 60 years ago, you'd be standing in the middle of an orange grove. One visionary man stood right where you are now, but instead of orange trees, he envisioned a magic kingdom. This man's name was Walt Disney, and his dream would be called Disneyland.
It's been said that as long as there is imagination left in the world, Disneyland will never be complete.
Imagination? We got a lot of that around here. Right, Tina? Oh, atta girl, Jake. Sprinkle your pixie dust. Let's show them just how magical this place can be. Come on, everybody. Here we go. Where you belong, where you can dream aloud, your heart will follow.
Get up and sing along. The moment is here and now.
Inside we all know if we believe in the fantasy, it will carry us away, carry us away. You and me, making memories today. Step back to the magic. Once the stories come to life. Step back to the magic. Every color shines so bright. Step back to the
Come on, baby, step in hard. 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 Keep getting hard. Keep getting hard. Step in hard. Keep getting hard. Step in hard. Keep getting hard. Step in hard. By the booty.
All those days watching from the windows, all those years outside the window, all that time, never ever knowing just how blind I've been. So see the light.
It's like the fog is lifted.
Everything is different now that I see you. Now that I see you.
Đầm hông trong đi đâu ai sống lòng bình yên mấy tháng liền thời mặt trăng ơi lại chẳng không đi đâu đời.
Stop!
There's more to see than can ever be seen. More to do than never done. It's the circle of life. Every move is till we find out.
Jungle VIP. I'm placed at the top and at the stop. That's what's been bothering me. Oh, do-we-do. I wanna be like you do. I wanna walk like you, talk like you do. Is it true? You're like me. Learn to be you and do.
As Walt Disney said, Disneyland will never be complete. And as the future will show us, with enough imagination, it will continue to build and grow on one enduring promise, that all who journey into its magical gates will feel forever young. And the magic, as Walt assured us, will never end.